show you how to create a design like this for your cover photos. It's actually super simple and easy to do. I'm creating this for an interior designer, Sarah Elizabeth Collective. If you want to check her out, she has some beautiful designs on Instagram. But all you're going to do is open up the template for Instagram reel covers and add the photo of your choice to the screen. When you bring it over, it will automatically fill the screen. So let me do that again. All right, so now the next thing that you're gonna do is, if you want to have kind of like that moody kind of overlay to it, I'm going to move this to the side and I'm going to make the background black. And you can make this anything. You can make it one of your color scheme photos, but I'm going to just do a black. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is change the transparency of this so that that black color pulls through. So I'm going to click transparency and change the level. So you can do it so that it is barely showing. You can do it so that it's showing a lot. So you can just edit this. That's why I love kind of doing it this way, is it's very simple to kind of edit how dark or light you want it to be. Now let's say you wanted all of your photos to have like a blue hue to it. You could easily go in, add the blue hue, and you can see how now that has kind of like the blue hue that might go with your branding more than kind of the moody black. So you can do this with any color you want, but let me just go ahead and keep it like so, and let me just change it so it's barely visible, right? So then you're going to add your text. If you have certain text that fits your branding, you can always do that, right? Now, you see how there's that line in the center? That means that this is in the center of the page whenever it's a solid line. Let's find the center of the page horizontally. There you go. So you see that, so it will give you that indicator when you're in the center of the page. So we're going to type in 3 tips that make. 3 tips that make. Now let me go ahead and make this smaller. Okay, and then let's do decorating easy in another font. Oh, I can't even spell today. Decorating easy. All right, and let's bring this bigger and then center it again. Boom. Now, if you want, you could just do this alone. You don't necessarily need to add anything else to the screen unless you want to. So I found that overlay by going to elements over here, and I think I typed in swirl line. Yeah, swirl line, graphics, and then I just picked from this here. Just scroll down until you find one. But let me go ahead and choose from the recents. So here's the one that I chose. I'm going to flip this. Boom. And then stretch it out. There you go. And then you could also add a line on the bottom if you want. Boom. So now you just created a cover photo, super simple and easy. And you can play around with it, find different elements that you want to add to it. But I always tell people it's better to go simple than to go crazy with your reel covers, because you want people to easily know what it's about and have it be super clickable. And so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to join my channel on Instagram, where you can get all of the free growth tips and strategy ideas. It's under Hello True Beauty, and then click my social media secrets chat. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.